Welcome! Before you can begin your Responsible Beverage Service training in California, you'll need a unique server ID from the California Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control. In this video, we'll walk you step by step through the process of creating your ABC RBS account and getting your server ID. The first step is to go to the California ABC RBS portal at abcbiz.abc.ca.gov. On the login screen, click Create an Account located under the yellow Login button. Next, you'll need to fill out your account information. Create a username and password and enter your email address. Be sure to use your legal name exactly as it appears on your driver's license or other government-issued ID. Double-check your information for accuracy, especially your legal name and email address. When everything looks correct, click the yellow Continue button to move on. After submitting your account information, the system will ask you to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a message from the California ABC and click the link inside to verify your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder or click Resend Email to have it sent again. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from the California ABC. Open the email and click the orange Confirm Email button. This step verifies your account and activates your access to the RBS system. Once your email is confirmed, you'll be redirected back to the login page. Enter your username and password, then click Log In to access your account. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard asking you to select your role. Choose Alcohol Server. This role allows you to find an authorized training provider, take the California RBS exam, and track your certification status. Once you've selected Alcohol Server, click the orange Continue button at the bottom of the page to confirm your choice. After selecting Alcohol Server, you'll see a short registration process. Go through each section, starting with the instructions, then continue through privacy, server registration, payment, and attest and submit. Make sure you read all text and complete all required fields before clicking Next. In this step, you'll pay the $3 application fee directly to the California Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control. This fee is separate from the training cost you'll pay to your training provider. Check the attestation box to confirm you understand the fee is non-refundable, and then follow the prompts to complete your payment. Once your payment is complete, you'll see a confirmation message that your registration fee was successfully paid. Click the orange Next button to continue. In the last step, review your information, check the attestation box to confirm everything is true and correct, and then click the orange Submit button. This completes your registration and issues your official server ID. Once you've submitted your registration, you'll see a confirmation screen. Click the orange Go to Your Dashboard button to continue. On your dashboard, you'll now see your official 9-digit server ID. Be sure to write this number down and keep it safe. You'll need it when you register for your training on LIQUORexam.com. Remember, the server ID is different from the tracking number shown on this page. Also, make a note of how your last name is spelled in the ABC system. Your server ID and your last name must match exactly when you sign up for your training. Now that you have your server ID, go to LIQUORexam.com. From the homepage, scroll down and select California as your state. Now that you've selected California, click Enroll Now under the California Responsible Beverage Service training course. The system will guide you through registration. Once you complete your training and pass the LIQUORexam.com final exam, we'll report your results directly to the California ABC. After that, return to the ABC RBS website, log in with your server ID, and take the official state exam. That's it, you're done. Thank you for choosing LIQUORexam.com for your hospitality compliance training needs. We're proud to support you and your team in building knowledge, confidence, and compliance in the workplace. From all of us at LIQUORexam.com, best of luck in your career, and remember, we're always here when you need us.